Let's do some live trading tonight, gang, on the Aftermarket live chat and watch party. Welcome to none other than American Dream Trading's the Aftermarket live chat and watch party. I am Dawn, your host, aka J&J Video Reacts, and this is a stream that's been created for you traders to have a place to come kind of chill after the market and have a place to discuss coach's strategies. Who is Coach, you ask? Coach is Chad W. Christian, a 33-year stock market vet. And he has literally traded in every market condition imaginable. And I mean every market condition imaginable. And the cool thing is, he teaches us how to do the same thing. He does it with strategies like support and resistance and covered calls, cash secured puts, you name it. We do long-term, short-term, we do stocks, options, futures, crypto, you name it. You want to learn how to trade it, this is the place. You've come to the right place. So the Aftermarket is basically a show where our members come and other people are more than welcome to come because we'd like you to join and just kind of share your ideas about your trades. We can pull charts up and compare notes, but our trading strategies are proven. Why? Because Coach has created over 14 millionaires. 12 of them had no prior day trading experience. You do the math. So you're in the right place to learn how to trade the right way. So yes. So what we're going to do before we get into anything is we are going to ask you to smash that like button. Yes, we are. You know the protocol. Make sure you are smashing that like button. Make sure you are hitting the share and sharing it out to people. And make sure you are hitting that subscribe button. We are trying to get Coach to 20,000 subscribers, and right now we're at 16,414. So we got work to do. Let's get it done. I'm going to go ahead and put the panel link down there so that anyone who wants to join the panel, including my co-pilot James, can come on board here. All right, there we go. It is there. And with that being said, make sure you just scoot on over to americandreamtrading.com in order to get your membership. Right now, we've got a 7-day free trial. That's right. I said it. 7-day free trial where you can come in and join our free Discord. You will get access to our premium membership benefits, which include the live Zoom call, which that alone is worth the price of admission. Our live Zoom call where you can interact personally with Coach. It's like having a one-on-one trainer right by your side. He talks us through trades every day when he goes live from 9 to 11. And you will be on that Zoom call. And the cool thing is the call actually starts at 8:45, right? Well, technically, for us VIPers, it starts at 4 a.m. That's right. We start trading before most people are turning over in the bed in the morning, right? We're already in the pre-market, we call it, making money. We have the pre-market, we got the aftermarket. So there's a ton of us trading in the pre-market together, and that room is a mixture of some of those millionaires that I mentioned, also people who are just learning how to trade. So you're learning from great folks, okay? Once Coach leaves at 11, you're still in the room with moderators up until 4 p.m. who can answer any questions because we're all trained with Coach's strategy and all know how to trade properly. So you still get training all day long. So that's 12 hours worth of training, right? So if you get the free membership, you will have access to that. You'll also have access to our hot stock picks in the morning. which is something that we have for those people who come in early. You'll also have access to our pre-market setup, which gets you set up for the bell, right? It gives you levels to be mindful of, to the upside and to the downside. That way, if those levels are broken, that might be something you want to take a look at, right? Not only that, we have a slew of videos over there, on videos on demand, so much training material that you can look for, flashcards, terms, terminology, anything you could want to learn. And you've got the Traders Lounge where you can hang out on our Discord with other traders that are in the free membership, and also a lot of the paid members and moderators are in there as well. Coach is in there all day long typing. If you have questions about the group, questions about trading, you can go in the Traders Lounge for free and interact with us all day long, all night long. I'm telling you, 2 o'clock in the morning, if you want to get in there, if you have a question, there's somebody there to answer it. We're team no sleep over here. So let me go ahead and see who is here. Let's do some live trading tonight, gang. All right, so far, looks like F2, you're the only one here, brother. Oh, there we go. We got Polito Cantu. What's up, Polito and F2? Rob, InSoFlow. What's up, baby? How are you? Chad H is there. Hey, Chad. What's up, gang? Yeah, I was over there today in futures hanging out because they were a little short-handed today and they needed some extra moderation going on over there. So I kind of hung out in there, and I wasn't in the VIP Zoom as much today, but that's what we do. We get spread around. We help out. People helping people. That's what this community is all about, and that's what we do, right? And within our community, when a mod is needed to go to another section, maybe sometimes, that's what we do. So with that being said, all right, so I've got my trading view up tonight. I got Doug over there in futures help me get my paper trading set up in trading view. So no more Weeble. We can actually trade live here with our paper trading account on trading view. So let's get that pulled up. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Put down there in the chat how you did today. Did you have a green day? What happened? Talk to me. Yeah, no. Oh, wrong one. There it is. All right. So this is IWM. We're not going to do that. We're going to go look at what's running in the aftermarket. Chad H said paper trading. Paper trading on trading view is the best. I know. I found that out today. I love it. All right, so let's go over. And if you guys see any runners, call them out, right? Let's go over here to where we normally go find our runners in the pre-market, which is Weeble's Top Gainers. Click on Aftermarket, and it's got IMRX. IMRX. Let's take a look at it, see what it's doing. All right, IMRX. And are we on the 1 minute? Yes, we are. All right, so taking a look at this. The cool thing is you get to see our regression and our trend channel, right? I think that's the best way to look at it. Our trend channel. By the way, before I go any further, don't forget, if you're interested in learning crypto, the crypto class is tonight at 7:15. So every Wednesday, Chris and Bucko do a crypto Zoom where you can go in and learn all things crypto. They do an amazing job. I was there last week and I learned so much. So head over to the crypto Zoom at 7:15 tonight. If you have a crypto membership, right now there is a yeah, if you have a crypto membership, you can head on over there. Actually, crypto is part of the 7-day free trial. So after 7 days, once you decide that, hey, this is the best thing since sliced bread, crypto is on special right now for only $50 a month. Your membership rate will renew at that rate. All right, let's go ahead and throw a line up here. Putting lines on your chart is the first thing you should do, right? So go ahead and get it charted out. And you can see up here, this is the double top where it pulled back, right? So we're going to be mindful if it gets up in that area again. So it's having a hard time getting past the trend channel though. However, it is above the 9. Look how these candles have broken and held above the 9 EMA, which in this case is the dotted line. On TradingView, it's the white line, but on here, mine, because of the vision issues, my 9 is this dotted line, right? It's also got the cloud. So the cloud consists of the 21, which is this white line, and the 55, which is this blue line here, right? And then we've got the 200 and VWAP, which is VWAP is right here. And yeah, if this breaks out above that trend channel, I'm going to try to get paid on the way up here. So let's get it all set up for blue to the upside. We're in a holding pattern. It needs to break and hold this trend channel. And it's having a hard time. The one thing you don't want to do, see, this is the kind of stuff that creates patience. You need to learn how to have patience in these trades. This is why paper trading is awesome, because it teaches you those mental mechanics. See, the cool thing about what we learn over here is process over profits is the end all be all. That and risk management, right? So once you learn the process, you will then begin to, go get them. You will then begin to learn that's where the money comes from. You don't go into the market immediately thinking about how much money am I going to make. No, you worry about getting in, getting green, and shedding or getting out if the trade is telling you to do so. So we have all of these tools to help us learn how to trade properly, like support and resistance lines. See how I put that in there? I'm going to know if this breaks and holds the trend channel, I've got a little bit of time before it hits that line. So I can make myself a couple of dollars and I can go ahead and get out and wait for it to tell me if it's going to pull back here. And the cool thing about TradingView is I can actually short. So if it does, we're going to get paid. Right now, it's shorting off of the top of the regression channel, which they tend to do. So let's see if we can't go ahead and get a little something, something. See if we can get picked up. Come on down. Come get me. Come on. Okay, why did it not get me? Come on, baby. Let's move it down a little bit. See what we need now. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel that order because now I'm gonna wait for a break and hold under the 9. I thought I could get in off the break of the regress trend channel, but it didn't pick me up. So I'm gonna now wait for the break and hold of the 9 because it kind of stalled, right? So I don't want it to pop back up on me and go against me. So now, since it's broken the 9, I'm gonna wait for it to hold under the 9. If it doesn't, I need a break and hold above the 9, and I can get paid on the way to the trend channel. And if it consolidates, I can sit on my hands and just wait. Let's see if something else is doing something. Let's see. We got OFAL. Let's take a look at that. Pretty much the same story. It's sitting at the top of the regression channel. Chances are it's probably going to do a little bit of a pullback, but you never know. These are in good shape. Let's drop a line and up there at the top of those candles. All right, it looks like it wants to crack the top of the regression channel. At this point, it's too close to the double top, so I'm going to wait for a break and hold of the double top before I get in. If, because it's at the top of the regression channel, it starts to pull back, then we're going to go to the downside with a break and hold of the 9. And it may just consolidate. If it consolidates, then we'll go ahead and move on to the next one. Hudson Miller. What's up, brother? Chad H said, I caught 2 good dumps on MES today. Oh, nice. Yeah, all the indices were down today, dude. The only thing that was up in futures was oil. And it was day 1 of scaling up. Okay. Also, I made 44% of your total account. That gets the bell. That gets the bell. Good job, man. Way to go, Chad. Hudson, what you up to? He said, Dawn, what do you do to find those runners? You said you go where and look for what? Okay, so you go to Webull and go to top gainers and then just click aftermarket. And it will give you the runners that we look at in the morning. That's what we do. We go to Webull, we go to top gainers, and we go to pre-market. They have those settings in there, pre-market and aftermarket. Look at it, it's popping down from the regression channel. Let's see if we can get it. Nope. It needs to break and hold the 9. Needs to break and hold. Yep, you just go to Webull and go to top gainers. And if you're in the morning, it's pre-market. If you're aftermarket, it's aftermarket. And that's what gives you these tickers that are running. Top to bottom, obviously, is supposed to be the most gain. But yep. And this is cool, Hudson, because when we see what's running at night, that gives us a clue as to what to look for in the morning. Because usually the top gainers that are running at night, usually tend to continue into the pre-market. So we kind of get a clue of how they behave the night before. And you just jot a couple of them down in your notebook that had like a nice percentage gain, and look for it in the morning and see if it wants to continue. Cheat code. I give you that one for free, but Hudson's a paid member, so he would get it anyway. Yep, top gainers on Webull. Yep. Yes, sir. Is he? Is he here? He is. Bayside Jim said green by $16. Nice. Hey, green is green. We don't judge. We don't judge. All right, so this is channeling. Let's go back over to Webull. Come on, guys. Give me something here. Give me something to show the people. Me. All right, PEPG has jumped up to the top of the top gainers list. So let's take a look at why. All right, that's why. All right, so let's see if we can't go ahead. It's already past the regression channel. Let's see if we can't go ahead. The only thing is I don't have my L2 over here. But, yeah. Shoot. Oh, well. All right, boom. I should have got that on the pullback. Oh, we got James L backstage. Hey, Mr. James, how you doing, buddy?
All right, Miss Dawn, about yourself? What are we doing?
We are paper trading on TradingView.
Sweet.
Yep. And it is freaking pulling back. But it's way over the 9, so I'm just gonna hang out. It should tap me. So why does it keep staying in this status? Why is it not picking me up? This afternoon it was picking me up.
On the paper trade?
Yeah.
On TradingView?
Yeah.
It's probably just the aftermarket volume. Kind of like on Webull and aftermarket, you actually have trouble getting out of a real trade. I do anyway. It's just that a little bit of a delay.
F2, what's up, brother?
Good afternoon. How are you guys?
Doing good. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Working
Stellar
on the I didn't do anything today stock wise. I listened in on the Zoom call and stuff, but I didn't.
Good. Good for you. Good for you. You don't need to trade every day, especially with what you're doing right now. You don't want to give any of it back. Sometimes you just need to rest the brain for a minute. Okay, so this is consolidating. I'm not feeling it. IMRX. Let's go back over to that one. Actually, you know what? Let's watch 2 at a time that way. Well, it is always good to have you on here, my friend. IMRX. Just try to do a little paper trading, F2, Keep practicing. All right, it's stuck right at the mean. Look at that. And this one is stuck at the top of the regression channel. They're not doing anything, James. GLXG. Let's look at that one.
It looks like everything's consolidated. I'm not gonna be a lie. I haven't been awake a hot minute.
Oh, is that right? Took a nap.
Well, the power went out this morning, and it was forever before it came back on. I fiddle farted around for a couple hours, and still nothing. So I'll just go lay down.
I don't blame you. Yeah, there ain't no volume in that, so let's get out of that one. PEPG, let's pull that back up. See if it decided to move. I'm about to pull some futures up, but I can't because, well, actually I can. I think future stops at 5 o'clock, doesn't it? All right, let's see if we can't get in a sell here. I didn't wait for the breaking hole. I just want to see if it picks me up. Why is this not picking me up?
You got extended hours on?
You know what? Let me see.
You gotta speak up, Bubba, real loud. Say hi. Hi.
Hi, Bubba.
Go get shirt up. TGI Fridays. Dude, are they? I don't think they're even open anymore. On the list.
Yeah, I think ETH is extended hours, isn't it? Yep, extended hours. All right, let's try that. See if that was the ticket. Yeah, I'm like all over this thing and it's not. Yeah, it just keeps staying on like an order. It's not turning into a position. That's weird. And I've got extended hours on. Let's try this one. Let's try again. Yeah. All right. Hey, Chad.
How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Not bad. Hey, at the bottom of your buying widget, I believe there's two boxes there that you got to click for outside of trading, normal trading, regular trading hours, RTH,
Okay.
I believe they call it. And then it should fill you.
You said RTH?
Yep, that's correct. Right down at the bottom by where it says, right underneath the drop down that says week on the actual buying widget there, where you fill in your price and stop loss and everything.
Okay, got it. Fill order outside of. I see it. I see it. Hold on. Chad H.
I've spent a lot of time paper trading, so
Take profit orders. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got here.
Well, anybody else have any problem with their Windows computers after this whole last update thing?
Yes, like crazy. Like mine will freeze and all kinds of stuff.
Really?
$160 replacement for the SD. One of the SD drives in Brandon's laptop shut it down completely. It wouldn't boot up at all.
Oh, wow. That's weird. And it's all because of the update, latest update?
Well, I don't know if that's why. It's just a weird coincidence that it did the update.
Yeah.
Completed the download and install, and then when it did the reboot to start back up,
yeah,
the only thing that would come up is the opening screen for the MSI. It's an MSI gaming laptop that he has.
Yeah.
Their little MSI symbol was the only thing that would come up. That's it. Sit there for hours. It wouldn't get past that.
Interesting.
So, not saying the update did anything, but that is a weird dang coincidence.
It is. I wonder if anybody, have you gone online to see if anybody, have you been able to go online to see if anybody else complained about it?
There's been a whole lot of issues with it. It's one of the Windows security updates, and all kinds of people complaining about it.
There we go.
It actually burns up the SD drives.
Wow. Thank you, Chad H. Yeah.
Do you believe everything you see online?
Nope. All right, so we got picked up. So far, we're up 6 cents. Oh, I forgot. I can do a little bit more than that. And it is pulling back. All right, there we go. There we go. We're in the green, baby. All right, so F2, would you take this and just grab your green right here since it's stalled?
Yes.
Then that's what I'm going to do. I'm listening to a master.
It's dancing off the, I think it's the 55, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's dancing. Let's see what it does. I mean.
No, look. So. Is it still on? Okay. Yeah, it's still active. Yeah, I don't like it. It looks like it wants to pop back up. But it's under the 9 and it broke and held under the 9. Yeah, see, it's coming for me. I'm going to go ahead and take it. How come that's still... Okay, do you have to say Phil cancel orders too or something?
Hit the cancel again. Give us a chance to read what it says, Don.
Oh, take profit. What's up?
I said hit the X again and give us a chance to read what it says.
What's it say? Partial
close position.
Yeah, I said close position. So that's what I clicked on. And it's still kind of hanging out there.
Huh.
All right, so if I close it, I guess it says Phil take profit orders. Let me click that too. see what happens now. Okay, it's pulling something out.
Market order rejected.
Oh, okay. Market order.
Yeah, you have to buy to close it. So go to order, go to buy, and then
Yeah, but that would be the same thing as me canceling the
closing the
order.
X. It should be, yeah.
Yeah.
No, you said rejected. Move your TP down on the little slide bar. Just move the take profit down. Or, move your stop loss up above VWAP and see what it does. Since it's retraced on you anyway.
Ah, you bastards. Come on, man. What? I just want a paper trade, dude. It's like I can't seem to just paper trade. What the hell is going on? This is going on for like a week now. I thought trading view was supposed to be better.
You still need to set your stop. You've not set your stop.
Yeah. Now it won't move.
Oh, what's the ticker you're on?
PEPG.
Trade. Paper.
That's just nuts. Now I'm back in the profit.
So,
Let me click that and see if that. Nope, partial won't work either. Chad, you still here? We got me in. Now I can't get the hell out. That's crazy.
all right. Click your take profit.
All right, hold on.
No. On the right. On the
Over here?
yeah.
All right, where is that? Take profit.
On exits. Your take profit stop loss. Then click buy or sell.
There we go. Thank you. There we go. Thank you, James. Cool beans. I didn't have to do that this afternoon. I guess in extended hours, it gets a little weird, huh?
Yeah. The only thing I've traded after hours was crypto.
Okay.
It wasn't the same. Yeah, I never had that problem.
Yeah, I didn't have that problem all day today. I was able to just click the X and get out. All right, let's see if anything else is running. Because these are just consolidating pretty much. But This is what the value of being with American Dream Trading is. See this trend channel? This thing is like a cheat code. You see what happened when these stocks hit the top of this, right? Might extend a little bit past it, but for the most part, it's letting you know where your levels are, what you need to be mindful of, right? And then of course your indicators are just extra confluences. So when it gets down to the bottom of the trend channel, what's it most likely to do? Bounce, right? Just like it did here. It's not 100% guaranteed, but it's there for a reason. So that thing is dropping now. Did it break and hold under the 9? I think it did. Let's get in there.
Like that. I wonder if they did some kind of update. That's new. Like I moved the stop loss on mine. I have to click confirm for it to actually move it.
Okay.
I've never had to do that before.
I wonder if they did some type of updates.
Click trading.
What's order and DOM? Oh, okay. Nah, I don't like that.
Okay, Miss Dawn, go up to your settings in the top right.
All right, give me a minute. Let's see. Up here?
Yeah, it's like you got the camera, the full screen, and the gear icon.
Yep.
All right, down there to trading. Yep, down one more. Right there. Nope, that's canvas. Down one more. There you go. All right, check off one-click trading.
All right, where is that?
The second box down on just to the right.
Oh, one-click trading.
Yeah. And then I click show only rejection notifications, but that should actually do where you don't have to do the confirm.
Yep. All right.
And then the execute volume is just a little ding whenever you order gets filled.
Nah, no dang. That'd be a pain in the ass. But then again, with me with the eyesight, that might not be a bad idea. All right, so is that good?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, thanks, James. Let's see.
I did that and was able to move my stop loss without, any issues.
All right, let's check another one because these are just consolidating here. It ain't a whole lot of volume in these aftermarket stocks, gang, but we try to do this just basically to show you what the indicators, how to use the indicators, and what the trading view looks like, what the Webull looks like. So hopefully you guys get something out of it. XXII. That's new. That just popped up. Looks like Roman numerals.
No,
All
we
right.
had that one the other day.
I have not seen this one.
Yeah, we played it the other day. That's actually the one I was in at when the whole McDonald's thing happened.
Okay. Huh. All right. It broke out of the Trend Channel. Said, the hell with this Trend Channel. Hold my beer. The hell happened?
Lord.
Where'd my candles go? All right, let me go back. All right. XXII. Let's try that again. Lay her down. I don't know. It's not happening. I will get with Doug and see what's happening there. See if I can do it on Weeble. Stop screen sharing. Any trades you guys want to go over? Let's see. Yes, no, maybe so.
No, well, I just got back 50 cents on XXII.
Okay. James said, you won't take my money without me getting it back.
It got my money the other day. I just got 50 cents of it back. And I'll get it back 50 cents at a time if I have to.
Mm-hmm.
But it's got news. Something about they settled their, I don't know, blah, blah, blah. 22nd Century Group announced that it has reached an agreement to settle all claims for business interruption related to the Grass Valley incident that occurred in November 2022 for a one-time payment of $9.5 million in cash form from its insurers.
Nice.
So I suppose that could be of interest to investors, traders, because now there's a dollar amount, and it's not just a cloud looming over their head.
Right. Well, that'll make it move.
No, honestly, I only bought like 10 shares, so I probably could have let it ride for a while, just being 10 shares.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't want to hold it overnight. I have trust issues.
Trust issues. Yeah, this consolidating right now. It's about to probably fall under VWAP. I mean, it is literally riding VWAP. And what does Coach tell us about riding VWAP, gang? We know this is just pop and consolidate right now, which means it's probably going to drop. All right. See what else we got. All right. OFAL moved up to the top of the top gainers list. All right, for good reason. All the candles are up over the 9. 9's over the 21. It's pulling back to a nice little pullback area. And I have my L2 here. Yay. Try to get it on the pullback. I'm at 236. Nope. Get rid of trade view. Yes. Bye-bye.
Oh, it's Wednesday, isn't it?
It is. Crypto night.
Oh, good deal.
You still doing good in that?
On the paper trading, I'm doing okay. I mean, nothing to write home about, but
Chris was asking about that. He was over in futures earlier. So he was wondering if you're still, in there and how you're doing. All right, so on tonight, do you put night hours on, or extended is still good?
I've just got mine on extended.
Yeah, because I'm like, why is this not, like, what is going on? Like, why do these things not work? Because my something too, I tried to set up my turbo trader, and I did customized, right? It did not offer me buy last, which is what Mark told me to click. So I clicked buy bid, which is why it's trying to limit order. But it didn't give me buy last as an option. It gave me sell last, but it didn't give me buy last.
Did you switch to Weeble?
Yeah, I did just now, a little while ago. Yeah, because TradingView, it wasn't picking me up. So it picked me up, but then when I made those changes, it stopped. It will let me out, but then it stopped picking me up. So I'll just get with Doug on it and see what's up, how to get it to work after hours on both of them.
Yeah, I don't have to look over it.
Yeah, because that helped me get out of it, but then all of a sudden it wouldn't pick me up again. So I don't know what the hell.
Okay. I have buy last on mine. Turbo Trader settings.
Yeah, if you go to Turbo Trader settings, right? All right, I got it up here.
On limit, it doesn't under the.
Yeah, buy market, buy bid, buy ask. So I've got it on customize. It doesn't give me the option to buy last.
Yeah,
You see it? Am I not seeing it?
I don't see it on your screen, Don.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It gives me sell last.
No. I don't even see the settings screen.
Okay.
So are you making the changes on your phone or are you on your
No,
computer?
it's on the screen. I don't know why. You see my cursor moving there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm moving the actual widget. So I don't know if it's doing that for my protection or what.
Yeah, I don't see nothing. I just see your chart.
Yeah, no, I'm looking at the screen that you're looking at, and I don't see it either. But I'm actually moving the widget with my mouse there. So I don't know. Maybe they do that for your protection. When you share a screen, you know what I mean? I don't know. Weird.
Anyway, when you're on buy customize, you should have order type, quantity, limit, and then a drop down. It's last, ask, bid.
Okay.
And then your limit offset, time in force is good to close or good to cancel. Extended hours, yes. And then the same thing for sell customize. But there's a little drop down box you got to click to find the last.
Sell customize. Yeah, I don't
There you go.
see
Your
it.
sell says last now.
No, sell last was already there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you just need to change your buy.
Yeah, the buy is not showing up. It only gives me market, buy bid, buy ask.
Weird.
I don't know. Maybe I'll get because Bruno set it up. Maybe he didn't put it in there or something. I don't know. Seemed like it should automatically be in there. Well, in any event, we tried, gang. Let's just release the Kraken on this one. Anybody got anything they want to add before we go?
Yeah, my trading view isn't filling either.
It's not? Okay.
Well, I know we don't use the take profit, but I set mine. I actually got in that PEPG to the upside. It's up $20 now, but my take profit was at 14, and it's not filling it.
It's not doing anything. Yeah, It may be a trading view issue.
Market order rejected. All right, so I don't want to.
And it's definitely something to do with extended hours. Because I paper traded on both of these platforms earlier today without an issue. Well, anyway, I'm going to end us with Coach's Rules. F2, thanks for coming and hanging out. James, thank you for coming and hanging out and trying to help me out there. I appreciate it. Everybody down there in the chat, Hudson, Chad, thank you for coming on, brother, and helping out with that. Bucko, what's up, brother? Everybody, don't forget to go over to over to crypto at 7:15. The crypto class with Chris and Bucko are over there. Is that Eric Smutto? Yeah. All I did was see a bunch of O's. What up, E?
I figured it out.
Yeah? What is it?
On your orders, you're on sell limit, click your take profit, and then the price, you actually got to adjust the price to, like, I just wanted to get out at $4.
Uh-huh.
So that's what I changed it to, $4, and clicked the sell, and it went through.
Man. All right. I will look into that. You talking about a trading view?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will play with it when I shut the show down, but I don't want to bore everybody to death trying to watch me figure this shit out. So,
yeah,
but
no worries. Like I said, I was trading crypto on it, and I didn't have that issue. So
yeah, weird. But anyway, thanks for trying to help. I'm gonna end it with Coach's Rules, gang. I hope everybody had a wonderful day. And once again, thank you guys down in the chat. Listen, on your way out, don't forget to smash the like button. And we will try this another time. Make sure we have all our ducks in a row. I thought I did because I was using it today, but apparently it's all weird and extended hours. So we'll get it fixed up. We'll get it right, and we'll do some trading. Hopefully we'll have some volume the next time we trade too. We'll get some runners. But yeah, everybody have a great night. James, F2, I will see you guys tomorrow.
Real quick, don't forget.
Yeah.
Crypto Zoom.
Crypto
Still
Zoom.
got the week trial available. 7:15 Eastern time tonight.
Yep. All right. Don't forget about the 7-day free trial of American Dream Trading as well, gang. You've got the regular premium, like I mentioned earlier, the crypto, and the futures. And once the week is up, they renew at the regular rate, which is, for crypto right now, it's on special, $50 a month. And the premium is $125, and the futures is $249, $250, I believe. But that is a little bit higher because it includes the trading view indicators that we showed you. So, all right, gang. Peace and blessings. Here's Coach's Rules, and then our anthem by Ken Mayfield. Shout out to Ken Mayfield for such an awesome song. Have a good night, y'all.
You guys remember all the rules. You must follow all of them. Not some. You don't get to sprinkle in your own and leave mine out. You must follow all the rules. Always have a stop loss in each and every trade. If you're a new trader, make sure you are simulate trading only using a paper account. I don't want anybody losing their money while you are in training. Make sure you guys are using small position sizes. This will allow you to let those runners run and stop out the losers. Again, stops on every trade, regardless of shares, options, futures, or crypto. Make sure you guys are journaling every single day. It's one of the most important pieces of what we do on top of the risk management, so that you can help assess what you are doing and make the changes that you need to do. Don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day if you're a new trader. And if you are an experienced trader, please be careful the first 3 minutes or the last 8 minutes of the trading day.
I was stuck in the cycle, just spinning my wheels, chasing time, losing sleep, forgetting how to feel. Dreams collecting dust on a shelf in my mind, till I found a spark, a way to realign. Not just numbers, charts, or lines. on a screen. It was a mirror that showed who I could be. American dream train, you opened the door, gave me the tools, now I'm asking for more. No more waiting for life to decide. You gave me the pen so I can rewrite. From fear to focus, from doubt to drive, I found my strength, now I'm alive. You didn't just teach me to trade, you helped me rewrite my life. Used to think I missed my chance, too late to change. But you showed me growth lies outside the cage. Now I'm building something real, not just getting by. Flipping setbacks into fuel, reaching for the sky. You said mindset first, and now I see. Success starts with who you believe you can be. American dream trading, you opened the door, gave me the tools, now I'm asking for more. No more waiting for life to decide. You gave me the pen so I could rewrite. From fear to focus, from doubt to drive, I found my strength, now I'm alive. You didn't just teach me to trade, you helped me rewrite my life. It's not about luck, it's learning to lead. Turning every loss into a seed. Now I grow with every rise and fall. Standing tall, no dreams too small. American dream being traded, you show me the way. Turn my dark into light, my night into day. Now I'm writing my future in my own hand. With purpose, with power, with a brand new plan. From stuck to soaring, from fear to flight, you helped me rewrite my life. Yeah, I'm trading more than stocks, I'm trading pain for pride. Thanks to the dream, now rewrite my life.